Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with City National Bank, full guide step by step clearly. Open your budgeting software or grab a pen and paper. Start by assessing your total income for the month. Include your primary job income, any side hustles, and passive income. Next, list all your fixed expenses. These may include rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and any loan payments. Then, note your variable expenses. This includes groceries, dining out, entertainment, and clothing. Look at your past few months' spending to estimate these amounts accurately. Once you have your income and expenses, calculate your total expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. If you have a surplus, decide how you want to allocate those extra funds. Consider saving for emergencies, retirement, or paying down debt. If you're facing a deficit, review your variable expenses to identify areas to cut back. Once you have your budget established, it's time to open an account with City National Bank. Visit their website or a local branch to get started. Explore their budgeting tools and resources designed for clients. Consider using their mobile app for easy tracking of your expenses. Regularly review and adjust your budget each month based on your spending habits. Consistency is key in sticking to your budget. Set aside time each month to evaluate your finances. Stay committed to your goals and remember to celebrate small wins. This will keep you motivated on your budgeting journey with City National Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.